Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to invite team members to your Loom Workspace. So here are the steps to invite team members to your Loom Workspace. The first thing to do is to launch the Loom desktop app, which we have in here, or visit the Loom website at loom.com and sign into your account. So this is the desktop app. Now, for me to head over to my workspace, all I need to do is to click on home from this, and it takes me to my Loom workspace. Ta-da! Now, onto the Loom website. This is the website now. This is not the desktop app. Okay, so once on the Loom website, go ahead and click on your profile icon, which is at the upper right corner of the screen. So here we go. And that takes you here. Okay, so from here you see that you can upgrade your plan, or you can view or edit your profile. You can check account and preferences, billing, install Chrome extension, download. So just head over to account and then to personalize your workspace settings, which we have in here. So from here, head over to the left navigation panel. And once you check the left navigation panel, you'll see your workspace, my commander, and there you have one member. And up here it says invite teammate. Now click on invite teammates button and it's going to take you to the next window. Now make work more fun by inviting coworkers to join Loom. So invite your coworkers. In here, you have to enter the email of the person that you want to add. So for example, this person. Now, if you want to add another person, add a comma, and that is add another person. Now, these days, it cannot verify because this is myself. So I cannot add myself. All right. So let's see, this is the person I want to add. So, comma and space. Now add somebody else you want to add. And if you want to add more people, just keep adding. And once you keep adding, go ahead and click on send invite. So if you want to import from Slack, you can import from Slack. If you want to import from Google, you can import from Google. Whichever one you do, once you're done, just go ahead and click on send invite or click on create link. So once you click on create link, anyone signing up with this link would join your workspace as a creator light. Okay, and the link will expire after 7 days. So you can send an invite, or you can just click on create link to send your link out. And that is pretty much the process. So you can also personalize your invite with the Loom, which is here. So go here, we have creator light, and click on that. This is where you can manage permissions. You can make the person an admin or a creator or a creator light. If it's an admin, it means the person can manage your workspace, can record unlimited videos. If just a creator, it means can record unlimited videos. And if it's creator light, it means can record 25 videos up to 5 minutes each. So choose any of these necessary permissions. And once you're done, don't forget to click on send invite. And after clicking on send invite, that's just it. I am not recording, so I don't know why you're seeking this permission, Loom. Okay, so that's about it. Go my tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be a-okay. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.